YouTube, what's up? Once again, you're in the kitchen with Paul. Today, we're going to be doing something simple. Went to the store. I had no idea what I wanted for dinner. I said, let me grab some chicken breasts. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. But as I went along, I decided that we're going to make some sauteed chicken breasts in a butter sauce with some scallions. And I'm going to toss in some bacon just to keep it to my liking, because you know what, if you have butter and you have bacon, you got a good meal no matter what it is. So stay with me. You're in the kitchen with Paul. We're gonna do our buttery bacon chicken. Let's go. Just a quick disclaimer, you don't have to put the bacon in because I put the bacon in. A lot of people don't eat pork. You can make this exact recipe and all you have to do is leave the bacon out. So you can have buttery sauteed chicken without the bacon. All right, let's get back in the kitchen with Paul. Okay, YouTube, what I have done is I've cut up 3 chicken breasts. I'm going to take these chicken breasts, throw them in a bowl, and we're going to season them up. I got some sweet and smoky pepper seasoning that has smoked paprika in it. We have some thyme. We have some basil. We have some oregano. And just because I pour an amount inside the cap of the bottle doesn't mean I'm going to use the entire portion. What I do is I freehand it. Of course, we have our Chef Paul's Triple Play, which is the onion powder, the garlic powder, seasoned salt, and we have some pepper. Now to that, we're going to add some olive oil. And what we're going to do from here is we're going to mix all of these seasonings up, make sure everything is completely coated with that seasoning. And once you do that, you're going to allow it to marinate for about 20 minutes before you do anything with it. Okay, so there's your chicken, and we will be back. Okay, YouTube, I got my pan getting hot. Put a little bit of olive oil in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this chicken and I'm going to cook it up in the pan. We're going to saute it in the pan. First, we're going to allow that oil to get hot. And what we're going to do to flavor the oil, we're just going to take a couple of red pepper flakes, not a lot. And that's going to season the oil, give the oil a nice flavor that makes it kick a little bit. Now we're going to take our chicken, we're going to put it in a piece at a time. And we're going to cook these chicken medallions, I guess you can call them, for about 2 minutes per side, just until they're done. It's not going to take long. And we don't want to cook them, we don't want to overcook them, but we also want to get a nice coating on them. So we don't want to jam too much chicken in the pan at one time. What we do is we just cook about 9-10 pieces each, and we'll flip them over and we'll cook the other side and then we'll put some more into the pan. We'll be back when we're ready to flip them. All right, we're just about ready to flip our chicken over. So we grab each piece, flip it to the other side, and hopefully you can see it's got a nice little brown crust on the chicken. If you can't see it, I'm going to take the camera now that I flipped all of them and just show you inside the pan what that chicken looks like. It's sauteing up nicely. You could use this to put in a chicken salad or put it over some pasta. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'll figure something out. I just wanted to cook the chicken to show you that it doesn't take long for it to cook. We'll be back. Okay, YouTube, now that my chicken is done, I'm going to deglaze my pan. A little chicken stock. Not a whole lot, but we want to get all of that goodness off of the bottom of the pan, because all of that flavor can be turned into a nice sauce. So we'll deglaze that. Just turn it into a nice brown sauce there. We're going to put some butter in there. Just to cream it up a little bit. And to give it a little color, we're going to put some green onions in there and allow them to cook down. Once these cook down, that can be used as a glaze or a sauce to put over the top of your meat. I'm going to add something else to it, because that's what I do. I'm going to add some bacon bits, because I want a little bacon. And when you are looking for something to cook and you really don't know what you really want to cook, if you add butter to it and you add some bacon to it, can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. So I'm going to allow all this to cook down, and then I'm going to incorporate it into my chicken. I'll be back. Okay, YouTube, I've allowed the sauce to cook down a little bit. I think I want to incorporate the chicken right into the sauce. So of course you're going to take all of that juice that come off of that chicken. You're going to put that in the sauce. And then you're going to lay your chicken right into that sauce. Allow that sauce to get on that chicken, get incorporated in it. And what you have a nice entree that you can put over some pasta. You can put it over some rice. You could even pair it up with some potatoes. This is just something that you can do quickly. Doesn't take a lot of time. It's filling. It's delicious. And like I said, It's got that butter sauce. It's got that green onion. Let's take a closer look at it. It's all done. This is our sauteed chicken breast with scallions and butter sauce with some bacon. And this is absolute perfection. All right, YouTube, this is the finished product. We're gonna try it out on a taste test. Tried to hold it up to the camera and that sauce started drizzling down. So let's set the camera down. I'm gonna grab a piece of this chicken, see what it tastes like. Nice and tender. Fork goes through it nicely. Get a little bit of that sauce. And here we go. Chicken breast is cooked very well. There's a hint of bacony flavor in it. There's a hint of that heat. Remember, we put the red pepper flakes in the olive oil in the beginning. So I can taste that. I can taste the smoky paprika that's in there. Of course, the seasoning, triple play, sets it off along with that oregano, the thyme, the basil. This is a great chicken. As I said, you can pair it up with some pasta, put it on top of some pasta. You can throw it in with some rice. You can throw it in with some potatoes. This is a great meal, a dinner meal chicken that you could have. Or you could even slice this up and put it on some soft tacos. That's a good one. Once again, you've been in the kitchen with Paul. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button. Hit that bell, and that bell will notify you anytime I have a new video coming. If you like this video and you like this chicken, please give me a thumbs up. You can send me any kind of comments that you like, questions. I love having some questions that I can answer. It'll help me to fill up my page and to do some more things for you. So, once again, always keep God first in your life. Love your family. And of course, love yourself. I'm Paul. Peace, y'all.